tension erupted in Basavakalyan after allegations surfaced that two Muslim school teachers were attacked by a group of Hindu youths. The victims Mohammad Arif, 25 years old, and Syed Imran, 31 years old, were reportedly assaulted while on a walk on Tuesday night. Following the incident, thousands of people gathered outside the Basavakalyan Police Station demanding immediate action against the Hindu youths involved. According to Deputy Police Superintendent Madholappa, 5 suspects have been arrested. Police said the attackers were allegedly under the influence of alcohol or drugs. The incident took on a communal tone, with the Muslim community describing it as a deliberate attack. Complaints stated that 6 to 7 Hindu individuals threatened Arif and Imran with sticks and also assaulted them with rods, leaving wounds on their heads. Police officials said the situation escalated further when demonstrators attempted to lay siege to the police station. Some protesters reportedly attacked police personnel, including Assistant Sub-Inspector Mukhtar Patel, and pelted stones. In connection with this, a case has been registered against 49 individuals from the Muslim community. Authorities said the situation is now under control and additional police personnel have been deployed in the town as a precaution to maintain law and order.